In this video, we are looking at path operation dependencies, a FastAPI feature that lets you attach reusable logic like authentication or rate limit checks directly to a route decorator rather than inside the route function itself. By the end, you will know how to declare them, what happens when they run, and when to reach for them. Imagine you have 10 protected endpoints. Each one needs to verify an API token before doing anything useful. The naive fix is to call your verify_token function at the top of every route function. But that is boilerplate you have to remember to add every single time. Miss it once and you have an unguarded endpoint with no warning from the framework. There has to be a cleaner way. Think of a nightclub bouncer. Every person who walks up to that door gets checked, regardless of which bar they are heading to inside. The bouncer does not hand a report to the bartender. They just block or allow entry. Path operation dependencies work the same way. They run their logic on every matching request, and they do not pass a return value into your route function. FastAPI lets you pass a dependencies list directly to the path operation decorator, that is the @app.get or post call. Each item in that list is a depends, wrapping a callable. FastAPI resolves and runs every one of those callables before your route function executes. If a dependency raises an HTTPException, the request stops right there. But if it returns normally, the return value is simply thrown away. Your route function never sees it. Let us walk through this. The verify_API_key function accepts an XAPI key header using FastAPI's header type. If the value is wrong, it raises an HTTPException with a 403 status, stopping the request immediately. Notice that the function has no return statement that matters. We do not need one. On the private endpoint, we pass dependencies equals a list containing depends of verify_API_key directly to the decorator. The route function private_endpoint takes no extra parameters at all. It is completely clean. FastAPI I will call verify_key first on every request to /private, and only if it passes does the route function run. When a request hits a protected route, FastAPI's dependency system kicks in before your function is ever called. It resolves each item in the dependencies list in order, including any nested subdependencies those callables declare. If anything raises an exception, the pipeline stops and the error response is sent to the client. Only when every dependency passes does FastAPI invoke your actual root function. As a bonus, FastAPI reflects these dependencies in the generated Open API schema, so your API docs stay accurate without extra effort. Use the decorator dependencies list when your dependency produces a side effect you care about, blocking a bad request, but whose return value the route function does not need. If you do need the value, declare the dependency as a normal function parameter instead. If the logic should run for absolutely every request in your app, a middleware is a better fit. And if the logic is truly one-off, keeping it inline in the root is often the clearest option for the next developer reading the code. To summarize, path operation dependencies let you attach reusable guard logic like authentication or rate limiting directly to a root decorator using the dependencies list. They run before your function, they can block requests by raising exceptions, but their return value is intentionally ignored. Use them to keep your root functions clean and your cross-cutting concerns in one testable place.